say this enough. We thank everyone who's come down this year to see us, spending a little time with us here in Times Square like this morning. It means so much, and we'll be heading out to see you shortly. But first, we're going to heat things up in Pop News.
That's right. Here's what's popping, Robin. And then finally in Pop News, a little real estate. There's a reason I'm playing the theme of one of my favorite cartoons of all time. The home of Dick Clark in Malibu just sold, and pictures of it made me wonder if the late great producer might have had something to do with the success of the Flintstones cartoon. Certainly inspired by it. Check this out. A very distinct similarity to Fred and Wilma's home with a few modern updates. Clark decided on the prehistoric design to appease conservationists who did not want him building on a cliff next to a national park overlooking Santa Monica Mountains. From the outside, it's completely blended into the Rocky Mountains. Inside, only one bedroom, but views are said to be unrivaled. The house also sold for rock-bottom prices. It was on the market, guys, for $3.25. It went for $1.777, which guarantees the new owners will be saying, yabba dabba doo.
Yeah, it's a very specific thing.
It's a very specific look.
One bedroom.
One bedroom, unrivaled views, and perhaps you can make more bedrooms or not. But
interesting though, if you got a quarry.
Yeah, I thought it was an interesting juxtaposition of Dick Clark, who we sort of think of, and then the style of the home.
Well,
I thought I would share that with you. You know, I do love my interior design.
Yes, you do.
And that is Pop News on this Friday. Checking out.